Hey Hoopers, I'm back with another accessible transition you can sprinkle into your flow. At the end of this tutorial, I demonstrate 3 different combos in slow motion that incorporate this trick as well. This trick combines a flourish and a continuous fold. Start with your hoop in your right hand, turn your thumb down and bend your elbow as you pull your hoop to the left and around your body. The bottom of your hoop will make contact with your torso as it circles around you. That's how you know it's super smooth. At the end of your flourish, unfold your hoop down to the left and extend your arm. Your thumb should be pointing away from you and you'll be gripping the hoop like you're shaking someone's hand. Now, onto the fold. Hold the bottom of your hoop towards your body, up and over your forearm until it hits this position. Palm facing up, holding the inside of the hoop at 12 o'clock. The hoop will be resting on your forearm. Push your hoop to the left, keeping the same grip until the arm is extended to the side. Your hand will now be somewhere around 9 o'clock from your vantage point, but it will look like 3 o'clock in this tutorial. Then let the top of the hoop fall down away from your body, then swing towards your body up and fold up and over your forearm once again. You'll end in this position, holding the top of the hoop, palm facing back, thumb pointing away from you, with the hoop resting somewhere on your forearm or elbow, depending on its length. From here, push your hoop to the left and repeat as many times as you'd like. Now from the side, you can see that the hoop is always folding in the same direction. The first fold is slightly different, but from here on out, you always add in an extra flip to your fold. Here it is one more time from the back, nice and slow. My grip isn't super firm. My fingertips are kind of soft, which allows the hoop to rotate seamlessly over my hand and fold onto my forearm. So make sure you're just not death gripping your hula hoop because it will definitely add a little bit of challenge. I've also noticed when doing this trick, if I let my chest turn to face the direction of where the hoop is placed, it makes this trick feel way easier. So allow your body to rotate, let your body move freely, play with where you're looking, be flirtatious, be sassy, whatever feels good in your body. You can also play with the level at which you lift your arm up from side to side, which will change the way the shape looks. Now, my absolute favorite part about this trick is just how much you can really play with it. Try adding levels, like getting low to the ground when you switch sides, bending both knees, getting low. Bring awareness to your free arm and play with its position. Maybe bring your hand to your hip or your arm up to the sky. Play with where you're looking. Maybe your eyes are facing the hoop. Maybe your eyes are facing the audience or your camera. And finally, let your face be expressive. Try smiling. Whatever feels good and natural, whatever expressions are in your body are amazing. Just let yourself move and be free. Now from here on out, I won't be giving any specific instruction, but I will be demonstrating 3 different tricks in slow motion with all different varying levels of skill. Feel free to try one of these combos or come up with something creative on your own. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with, so please tag me in your efforts. Let me know how it works for you. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy hooping!